everybody, welcome back. So today we are going to be making cheesecake tacos. So I've seen like little ice cream tacos all over the internet lately. And so I thought it'd be really fun to do a cheesecake version. So we're making homemade taco shells and we're making the most delicious cheesecake filling. This is like my go-to filling for any kind of like parfait or anytime I ever want to add like a little cheesecake touch to any dessert. This is the recipe I use and it is fabulous. So let's get started. So I actually made the recipe for the homemade taco shell in my other video that I posted a little while ago. It's the homemade waffle cone and waffle bowl video, so I'll have that recipe linked in the cards right here. So you want to do the exact same thing that I show you how to do in the video, but once the little waffle is finished cooking, you want to kind of like hang that over your little spatula, and I'll have the spatula that I use linked in the description box below. It's fabulous, I use it for so many different things, but you just want to lay the little waffle on top and kind of fold it over with your fingers and encourage it to shape into the shape of the taco, and allow it to cool for about a minute or until it seems to hold its own shape, and then just remove from the spatula and continue with the rest of the batch. So that is like, it's such an easy way to make a little taco shape, and oh my god, they taste so good, you guys. So now to make the cheesecake filling, I'm so excited. This filling is so good. So first what you want to do is beat some cream cheese with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Then add some sugar and beat until combined. Then you want to add some vanilla extract and some whipping cream. You can also use some lemon extract, just a touch of it if you'd like a lemon cheesecake flavor, but totally up to you. But you want to just mix those together until everything is fully combined. And then this is optional, but I think it adds a nice touch. We're going to add two-thirds of a cup of mini chocolate chips. It adds like a nice little chocolate touch, and it made me kind of think of cannolis, even though these aren't cannolis. Never actually made them before, but if you'd like me to try them out, let me know in the comments down below, and I can definitely do that. But yeah, after that, the filling is done. So you just want to pop that into a piping bag, fit it with a large round piping tip, or simply just cut the end off of a piping bag with some scissors, because you don't necessarily need a specific piping tip for this, and then just pipe it directly into little taco shells. And to make them extra cheesecake-like, I top them with some graham cracker crumbs, just to give them that extra little cheesecake flavor, and you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, because I upload 5 days a week. Last week was a little bit spotty, but normally I upload 5 days a week, so I would love to see you guys back. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for another video.